Remain your Star Command coordinate position.
Well, you're gonna dilly dally. We made it. Sit back.
I almost didn't make it.
Sit back. Relax. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, you in charge of spinning or me?
I am.
All right, here we go. What is that over there?
Disengage autopilot. You got the stick, Space Rangers.
Oh, we got the stick. Whoa! Gotta get shoot. Gotta shoot.
Fires a single ion.
Please, you gotta aim us so we can hit things. Please, you gotta aim us so we can hit things. Okay. I can't tell what I'm shooting at. Aim. Okay, please, you know we have to move left and right. You, please, over there. See the stuff behind us?
Oh, yeah, but I'm not very good at driving.
You are. You see?
You're gonna be more smart than I am.
I can't hit anything. You're not aiming at. You gotta aim the car. You gotta aim the car. Please, you gotta aim the car. Please, you have to aim the car. Please, you gotta aim the car. Thank you. Okay, now, okay, Lise, you're now aiming at the wall. Why can't we aim? Turn around. All right, so Lise is giving up steering.
Yeah, I'm giving up.
Okay, you guys are gonna have to steer for us.
Cars, shoot them, and then little friends too.
I don't know what I'm getting.
Adventurers, cars, shoot them.
Oh, my hand is tired. My hand is tired. I can't shoot anything. I can't shoot anything. Aim for the bottom one. Aim for the bottom one. Aim for the bottom one. Oh, I missed them all. You're not steering anymore, huh? Okay. Alright, that's it. Get the last one over there. Shoot all the way through those people. Shoot through the people. Shoot through the people. Shoot through the people. Okay.
Yeah, you won.
How did I win? You were destroying me. Oh, get ready. Get ready. Shoot me. Shoot me. Shoot the bad guy. Shoot the bad guy. Shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot the bad guy. Shoot the bad guy. Shoot him. Shoot the bad guy. Shoot the bad guy. Shoot the bad guy.
I'm getting busy here.
Shoot the bad guy. Shoot the bad guy. Shoot the bad guy. Shoot him. Shoot him. Can we get points? Can we get points? Can we get points? Yeah, we can still get points. We can still get points. Yay. I can just sit here and aim at that thing way over in the distance. I'm getting 100 points every time I hit that one thing way over in the distance there. My hand is so hurt. flashing. Flashing in our eyes. Oh, flashing in the eyes. Flashing in the eyes again. Oh, flash.
Joystick disabled.
Yeah,
Joystick disabled.
Alright, what's the scores? Wow.
you guys pay attention on this.
Alright, 28. Okay, I got Planet Pilot. Yay!
And I got Space Scout. I got 15,000.
Alright, get ready. Yay, we gotta get out. Tap your armband. There it is. Right there. Right there. Red. Yay!
You have saved our lives. We are eternally grateful.
Oh my goodness. She likes it, but she's confused.
I'm confused.
That's you and me.
I'm confused.
All right. Bye.